Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play better rhythm guitar. Focus on consistent strumming patterns and clear chord changes from the start. Practice with a metronome to develop precise timing. Learn basic open chords and power chords for versatility. Pay attention to your picking hand's attack and dynamics. This foundational approach builds a strong rhythmic base for any song. Once you have the basics, refine your strumming. Keep your wrist relaxed to achieve a fluid, natural motion, which prevents fatigue and improves your sound. Vary your strumming dynamics, playing softer or louder, to add emotional depth and interest to your rhythm. Also, try different pick angles. A slight change can create a completely new tonal texture for your guitar.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these rhythm guitar tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're heading to a gig or just staying organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Smooth chord transitions are crucial for great rhythm guitar. Practice changing chords slowly, ensuring each finger lands precisely and silently. Use a simple 2 or 3 chord progression, repeating it until the changes are seamless and effortless. Always check that every note within your chord shapes rings out clearly and without buzzing. This builds muscle memory and confidence. To truly elevate your rhythm playing, develop a strong rhythmic feel. Listen actively to the drums and bass in any song. They provide the rhythmic foundation. Mentally subdivide the beats to help you lock into the groove and play with precision. Don't forget to incorporate muted strums, often called chucking, to add percussive accents and drive to your rhythm guitar parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.